don't buy it from the market anymore. Now I make it at home without preservatives and it's much tastier. Here I'm using 2.2 pounds of pork belly. I'm going to put it in a mold and I'm going to start seasoning it with a little salt, a little smoke powder. If you prefer, you can also use the liquid, a little black pepper, and let's spread it all over the meat right after. Turn it over and also apply it on the skin on top. And we're going to add a little brown sugar. After spreading it well, now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap. And now guys, let's refrigerate it for at least 3 days. And guys, after 3 days, look at how our bacon is. I'm gonna add a little more salt and some more smoke powder on top. Done that. Spread it well on both sides and then we just have to pick it up. And we're now going to move to this oven grill. If you don't have two, use only one. I had two here, so I added the skin face down and then we just take it to the oven preheated to 180 degrees and let's leave it for at least an hour and a half. Just look at how amazing this bacon is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super tasty bacon, no preservative. Perfect for you to make at home. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time and thanks.